Welcome to the world of anti-gravity. What you're about to see is just the beginning. Meet AntiGravity A1, the world's first 360 drone. Exceptionally lightweight, with the immersive vision goggles and intuitive grip controller, flying becomes instinct. The sky becomes your playground. AntiGravity A1 captures everything around it. The dual lens setup, mounted below and above the fuselage, completely erases the drone, letting you capture and relive every detail in crystal clear 8K. Drones are no longer just tools for content creation. Immerse yourself in 360 degrees with the vision goggles. Look freely in any direction, as if you're right there. You're not piloting a drone, you're flying. No piloting skills? No problem. Point in any direction you want to go, and A1 will fly there. Point up, and feel the rush as you soar into the sky. Controlling A1 feels natural, intuitive. Just point and go. Your will is its flight path. The payload detection system triggers immediate landing if extra payload is detected. Share the flying experience through the unique front screen. Traditional drones force you to nail the perfect shot mid-flight or lose it forever. With AntiGravity A1, you'll never miss a shot. Every angle is yours. Tell endless stories with just one take. Let your creativity run wild. Bend reality. Warp perspectives. Your sky, your rules. This is not just a drone. This is a revolution in flight.
Wowzer. That thing is freaking awesome. Mr. Miyagi-Style. Hey guys, gals. The reveal day was today, as I said, and I said I was going to jump on and just say hi. But check this out, guys. So what happened is Insta360 has invited all the big content creators for this special event to test out this drone, and there were some of them were sent the drone to play with. You know, I'm watching Peter McKinnon fly a drone, like that's history in itself. I never thought Peter McKinnon would actually fly a drone. But he loved that thing. He was like, wow, this thing's really cool. But it's everything that I expected, and this is something that I knew was going to happen. And as a big drone guy, I've been looking forward to this, and it's just, and I'm a big 360 guy, and you package those two together, my credit card is going to take a huge hit, right? Love what they did. I'm just going to go briefly of the things that I've seen. The footage is good. Shooting 8K, first drone that's going to shoot 8K 360. And what they've done here, look at the design. It's pretty well. It's got the flip up legs for the to compensate for the bottom lens, and so when it lands, it just looks wild. The design looks a lot cooler, in my view, anyways. And you'll see the it is kind of on a gimbal. I think it's a more of a cushioning thing for the lens. It doesn't really, like, it's not a 2 or 3 axis gimbal from the looks of it. I think it's just more for like suspension for the lens. But yeah, look at the videos. I've been watching the videos, and the goggles is really what caught my eye as well. But the goggles are really cool. They're tiny, And from the looks of it, they don't have the battery built into the actual goggles itself, which I always found really uncomfortable after a while with the DJI one. So you don't have this great big battery weight sitting in the back of your head, right? So it's a form of a necklace and just plugs into a goggle. Great idea, that you don't have that weight on your head. And the other thing too, the goggle, if you look at the left lens on the front, the round lens, it's actually a display. So the display actually shows people around you outside of the goggle what you're seeing as you're flying, so that you can share your experience with viewers around you, which is wild. Before, you had to actually connect the goggles to a cell phone or display and then do it that way. So this is brilliant that you don't have that extra piece. The motion control looks really cool. It looks more robust. Looks like it's got much more features on it. And it's just cool looking. Anyways, guys, do spend some time, look at the videos. Man, the footage coming out of this thing is wild. And it's only in pre-test right now. They haven't really finalized on the software. And they're still working on a couple things too. They're looking at coming out with a traditional RC controller for it, because there have been demands of the pre-testers for that, which is a great idea. And they're going to be adding more features to the drone as time goes and when it actually gets released. So the final product should be coming out in, I think, September. So I'm excited. I can't wait. And it's going to be awesome year. Insta360 just keeps coming out with this stuff. Those guys are they're way ahead of the game, miles ahead of the game. This is the rabbit and turtle race right now, and they're the rabbit guys. I hate to break it to you guys. You know, they just make good stuff, and look at this. This is just revolutionary, right? It's just phenomenal. I'm really excited. So I hope you guys are too, and stay tuned. There's going to be more to come, I'm sure, with this A1 drone. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great one. See you guys on the flip side. Ciao.